And there it is, guys. So 1.82 Bitcoin sent into our balance for simply letting this software do its thing for a few minutes. And to be honest now, I also was doubtful at first when I first heard about this method, but now that I see that it's working for me, I'm very happy to share it with you guys. Hello go-getters, I'm the Capitalist, and in today's video we're going to do something really special. I'm going to mine 1.5 Bitcoin in 30 minutes using this free Bitcoin mining website that works in 2020 for anyone on earth. Now I'm also going to show you payment proof that this is legit and it actually works. And before we start this video, I want to mention that I'm not by all means giving you financial advice. I'm just demonstrating that mining Bitcoin can be quite a profitable activity if you do it correctly. So if you want to learn more about it and if you want to know how to implement it correctly so that it makes money for you on complete autopilot, then make sure to stick around until the end and not skip any important parts. In other words, I'm going to do a quick demonstration to show you that this method is legit and it actually works. So that will be the subject of this video, but I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not advising you to invest in Bitcoin because that is completely up to you. And if you have no experience at all with Bitcoin, don't worry because this method I'm about to teach is completely beginner friendly. So as long as you have an internet connection and a smartphone or a personal computer, because it works on both, you are good to go. You're perfectly qualified for the job. That being said, let's move on to step number 1. As you might expect, the first thing you need to do is create a Bitcoin wallet. So if you don't have one, I encourage you guys to connect to bitcoin.org/en/choose-your-wallet because these guys are going to help you pick the wallet that is the most suitable for your needs. That being said, let's take a look over here. So basically they have prepared a series of questions and depending on your answer they are going to recommend a certain wallet to you. So let's click on next and take a look here. What's your operating system? If you want to have a mobile wallet, you're going to choose between Android and Apple. If you want to operate on a desktop, you should choose between one of these three options. I'm going to choose Windows in my case, and you can also have a hardware wallet, but I don't really recommend that. I believe that sticking to a virtual wallet is much easier. Now, I want you to click on next and move on to the second question. How much do you know about Bitcoin? I'm fairly new in this business, so I'm going to be honest, and I'm going to click on new. And I believe that most of you watching this video are fairly new in this niche, so I want you to click on that as well. Which criteria are important to you? I want to have low fees, I want to have full control and transparency, so I will check all of those and click on next. Now, what features are you looking for? Well, I'm just looking for two-factor authentication so that I can keep track of who has logged into my account. I'm going to click on next now, and that was it. They have recommended Electrum, which is a Bitcoin wallet that I have used in the past and I recommend it highly. Now, the thing you need to do next is click on this option that I have recommended to you. They are going to redirect you to their website where you need to simply sign up, and they are going to provide you with a Bitcoin address, a Bitcoin wallet address that you should use in order to receive your money. I'm going to show you how that looks like so you don't get confused. Moving on to step number 2, I want you guys to connect to BitcoinLiveApp.Online, and this is the website that is going to pay us for our efforts. And once you're here on the homepage, what you want to do is simply click on start. But before we do that, I wanted to also mention a particular feature that these guys have, and that is their affiliate program. So if you click here on affiliate, you will be able to see that they provide 70% of the deposit of each client that comes through your link. So if you have a friend who is passionate about cryptocurrency and they want to earn some extra cash by mining Bitcoin, you might as well want to refer them and earn 70% of each of their deposits. Now, in order to register on this platform, I want you guys to go over to the pricing section because indeed you will need to pay a small amount of money in order to get started. You are unable to mine Bitcoin on their website unless you get a key, and you have 3 different options. You will be able to get the daily crypto key for this price here, which is not a lot. You can get the weekly crypto key or the monthly option. So personally, I have chosen the monthly option because that gives you quite an advantage in terms of the money you would spend, and it is definitely worth it for me. I don't know if you are going to generate the same results, but I'm going over my personal results in just a bit so that I can illustrate my point here. If you have followed my instructions correctly up to this point, we are good to move on to the last step. So at this point you should have a key and you should also have a Bitcoin wallet address. And that's all you need in order to get started. And let's jump right into it. In other words, let's start mining, and you will see that in a few seconds we will get the result that we've been waiting for. And there it is, guys. So 1.82 Bitcoin sent into our balance for simply letting this software do its thing for a few minutes. And to be honest, now I also was doubtful at first when I first heard about this method, but now that I see that it's working for me, I'm very happy to share it with you guys. And in case you still have your doubts, and in case you still don't believe that this method is legitimate, we're going to my balance in just a bit so that I can illustrate my point even further. But I believe that this is the perfect example of making a small investment and getting the real profit out of it. And if you can remember, you actually had 3 different options back there on their website. So you could also choose your daily key and just mine for 1 day. That will not generate the same results, but it may be successful for you and it may even be profitable. So after you backtest the strategy a little bit more and see whether or not it's working for you, you can go ahead and invest even more. You can reinvest your profits if you wish to. So the way you go about it is completely up to you, but my duty here was showing you that this method is legit. And let's actually go to my balance and clear any doubts. And here is my balance. So I'm using blockchain.com as a wallet. You can also do so, or you have other options if you don't want to, but that is completely up to you, so I'm not getting into that. But what matters here is the balance that we can see. So for just spending a few minutes on that website and letting it do its thing, because it's going to take advantage of your internet connection. It may depend on how fast your internet is, and as I mentioned before, where you live on Earth. So the country that you live in might be important in this equation, but after all, at the end of the day, you're still going to get some profits. It may not be such an impressive sum of money, but it is still considerable. And if you take a look on the left hand side, you will be able to see the Bitcoin balance that is about 14,000 euro. I'm recording this video in October 2020, so the current price of Bitcoin right now is at 9,500 euro. And the way I recommend that you go about this is keep your Bitcoin for a longer period if you think it is going to grow in price. So if you think that the price will go higher, make sure to keep your Bitcoin in there. Don't withdraw the money just yet, don't spend it, and more importantly, don't waste it, because you might be able to get some more profits as a result of Bitcoin getting to a higher price. Well guys, if you're just starting out and you're looking to make some extra cash online, this might be a good option for you. The downside being that you have to make a small investment at first. But if you're willing to do that, this website might give you a chance to earn some extra cash. You can invest in something else later on, or just spend as you wish. Make sure to watch the rest of our videos, hit the like on this one, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and leave your feedback down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.